Peace and power, and welcome back to KTsAlchmy. My name is Nina, and I'm Katie's granddaughter. And today we're going to go over three essential oils that is in my new detox deodorant. And so this video will be specifically for the essential oils. The first oil is the essential oil orange, or essential oil of orange, um, also known as sweet orange essential oil. And so the next ingredient will be grapefruit essential oil. And the last but not least is frankincense essential oil. And so, yeah, let's get into it. Some of the health benefits of essential oil is might treat spasms. Spasms might result in many irritating or serious problems, including continuous coughing, convulsions, muscle cramps, and diarrhea. To avoid these effects, spasms must be treated early or prevented entirely. It also might have a sedative effect. When you need to unwind after a hard day at the office or you are suffering from inflammation, reach for a natural sedative that might help you to relax. And so, orange essential oil helps you to relax. It might also have aphrodisiac properties. Um, may also relieve inflammation, which would be key in underarm areas because a lot of breast cancer stems from the area right next to your underarm from all of the aluminum in the deodorants. It might act as a cholagogue. Orange essential oils might promote secretions from all appropriate glands, including the exocrine and endocrine. Therefore, it may frequently be used to regulate menstruation, lactation, and the secretion of digestive juices, bile, hormones, and enzymes. Might also prevent infections. Wherever there is a cut or abrasion, there's always a chance of the wound becoming septic due to a bacterial infection. And so orange essential oil helps with that as well. Might also relieve depression, might stimulate urination, and might have carminative properties. Being a carminative means an agent that may help in the removal of excess gas. Might also improve cognitive function. A study suggests or shows that aromatherapy using this orange essential oil may aid in improving cognitive function, especially in Alzheimer's disease patients. So that is a must. Might have insecticidal properties. Essential oils might be effective against larvae and pupae of a housefly and may help the elimination of houseflies. And so other benefits, it might also serve as a detoxifier, boost immunity, treats constipation and dyspepsia. May be good for maintaining a healthy, smooth, and glamorous skin. So we're gonna move on to the next ingredient. And pardon me, I'm having tea. My tea for today is dandelion root tea, which also can be substituted for coffee. So the next essential oil is grapefruit essential oil. It's good for boosting the immune system, eliminates and prevents infections, inhibits microbial infections, stimulates hormone secretion, relieves depressions, controls appetite, increases urination, removes toxins, and acts as a tonic. It tones the skin. And so other benefits would be it keeps your skin clean. It's good for treating oily skin and acne and provides a refreshing feeling. It also can be beneficial for treating stiffness and cramps in the muscle. And the last but not least, let me show y'all the picture. I'm tripping. Hold on. Boom, grapefruit essential oil. Such a beautiful picture. I'm definitely into placement and colors. This is beautiful. Okay, so we just went over grapefruit and orange essential oil. And now we're going back to frankincense essential oil. So some of the health benefits of frankincense oil is its antimicrobial properties, also improves oral health, astringent property, regulates menstruation, reduces scars, aids in digestion, reduces respiratory issues, and also relieves stress and keeps your uterus healthy. Frankincense oil is also very good for uterine health since it regulates the production of estrogen hormone. It reduces the chances of postmenopause, tumor or cyst formation in the uterus. That is good. It also speeds up healing. Frankincense oil, other benefits. Frankincense oil, pain. Frankincense oil relieves pain associated with rheumatism and arthritis. It helps to heal boils, infected wounds, acne, circulatory problems. And this is another reason I'm using it in deodorant. Usually that breast tissue, that tissue up on the arm, it lacks circulation because of bras. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still drinking my tea. Okay, so this oil is equally beneficial in healing internal wounds, cuts, and ulcers. So this might be one of the things that you can put in some of your water, and it works well with other oils such as lime, lemon, orange, and citrus oils, as well as benzoin, bergamot, lavender, myrrh, pine, and sandalwood. This makes it a popular element of a variety of aromatherapy combinations. Now, this will be the last thing I'm just looking up because I want to add my own pizzazz to this recipe. So what's the name of it? Let me see. And being that it's supposed to be a detox deodorant, I want to find something that's gonna just top it off. Okay, so let me see. And I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to find a good secret ingredient. It won't be secret because, of course, I am sharing it with y'all. But don't tell nobody. P. Let's see if I can find some information. Something that will help detox and take this recipe over the top. Okay, so I'm gonna also share with you all mango. Um, I am formulating this with mango butter, and so I am getting away from the shea and going into the natural fruit butters. Now, some of the benefits of mangoes, it can help maintain overall health. Oh no, may promote weight gain. For those of you that's trying to gain weight, here you are. Can aid in digestion, anemia, might be useful in pregnancy, can help reduce acne, may delay aging. Oh, and last but not least, may promote brain health. Well, that's not last. Also, may boost immunity, may aid in diabetes management, and may improve eye health. It may help in hair care as well because of vitamin A. And so maybe that's the secret ingredient. Not using the shea, but converting over to the mango butter. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace and power.